Every time you write code for both a desktop application and a web application, or if you write code for web API, every time you have to use ready-made function to perform any type of operation, it's possible because behind there is a solid programming language and a framework with dozens and dozens of libraries. All this has been developed over the years. In this series of videos, I want to follow the evolution of the C# main programming language of Microsoft. Today I'll start from the first version, but first a little history. It was January 2002 when C# based on a new Microsoft.NET framework was born. In August 2000, Microsoft and Intel worked to standardize common language in infrastructure, CLI, and C#, but the first version of C# was released in January 2002. C# was born to counter the undisputed language in those years, that was Java. In fact, C# looked like Java syntax, and for many developers used to coding right Visual Basic, it seemed difficult. So together with C# there was a .NET version of Visual Basic to facilitate portability of a new platform. The first version of C# included the basic features as programming language, statement. A statement can consist of a single line of code be ended in a semicolon or a series of single line statements in a block. A statement block is enclosed in a brackets and can contain nested blocks. Operators that including arithmetic operators, comparison operators, Boolean logical operators, bitwise and shift operators, equality operators. Events. An event is code triggered when something happens physically or not in your application. For example, user click a button. The syntax for defining events and subscribe or unsubscribe from events is an extension of a syntax for delegates. Delegate is another feature included in the first version. A delegate is a type that represents references to methods. Delegates are used to pass methods as arguments to other methods. Obviously, being C# an object-oriented language, two basic elements of this paradigm could not be missing. Classes to define objects, an interface to define some kind of content that the implementing classes must respect. If you want other video about C# history like this video, and subscribe to the channel.